Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We can have 6 meetings of study club. We will present about our topics one by one, each of us, and I will present my topic, or talking about my topic is the benefits of learning English.
Friends versus family.
The importance of saving money.
Okay, let's start from me. The benefits of learning English. So, why English is considered a global language? Why? Because English is a strong language rather than, let's take example like in Indonesian, they use m or d in like word, but in English they use like ing or ed like in past tense or in continuous tense or in future tense. That's why English is a strong language, and that's why English is used as a global language. And benefits of English for education and future careers, because English in education is a must in elementary school, in junior high school, or in senior high school. There's English. We must learning English because in education and also in future careers, because in job vacancy there's qualification for you have to mastering in English, and also common problems that learners face in learning English, because let's take an example. In Indonesia, we usually hard to learning English because our second language or maybe a third language, because we born as an Indonesian, we speak Indonesia, and we learning English is so hard. The common problems is that we not usually talking English, and how we face it. In English we have 4 skills like listening, speaking, reading, and writing. We can use first in listening. We can listen to music, movies, or films that boost our knowledge about vocabulary. And speaking, after we listening to English, we can try to speak the vocabulary and the pronunciation in good way or in the correct way. The next is in writing. We learning about English. We used to write the vocabulary, and reading. We have to habits in reading English to overcome the hard of learning English. And that's all for me.
Family and friends. Family and friends have necessary role in saving life. And they are typically, I rely on the most in the daily life. So my family is my first time source of love, within some motivation. Therefore, parents always remind me to stay responsible, work hard, treat others with kindness. They not only support my education, but also help me understand the values that are important for my future. My siblings also make a life more colorful. Even though we argue sometimes, we learn more. We learn to understand each other and grow together. This is my family. My friends also have important role in my life. Sometimes my friend accompany me to study together, share our problems together, and encourage each other to keep going when things feel difficult. With my friends, I can express my thought freely and be myself without fear of being judged. Spending with my friends, whether we are talking, laughing, or even laying away. My friend always brings me comfort and joy. Both my family and friends help me become a better person. They always supporting my dreams, celebrate my achievement, and standing beside me during challenges. And because of them, I feel more confidence, stronger, and happier with my everyday life.
Okay, the importance of saving money. As students, we often spend money on snacks, games, music, or things we don't really need. But saving money, even a little every day, can help us prepare for the future. When we save, we learn to be responsible and make better decisions about spending. Saving money also helps us during emergencies. We never know when we might need money for school fees, medical needs, or important events. By saving, we can feel safer and more confident because we are prepared. And saving money is a smart habit that will benefit us throughout our lives. And now let's start saving today, no matter how small the amount, because small savings will grow into something valuable. I want to speak about gratitude. In our busy lives, we often forget how many small blessings surround us. Accept all the people we love, the ability to laugh, live, and try again this day. Gratitude doesn't mean life is perfect. It means we choose to see the good in the middle of imperfections. And that small shift can change everything. Gratitude is a simple habit with a powerful impact. When we practice it, our worlds become lighter and our days become brighter.
That's all from us. I will recap the topic that we already present. I talked about why learning English matters. Mas Mujib said that family and friends, there's a different role. And Sandy talked about saving money. That's so crucial. And this I said about gratitude. That's all from us. Thank you.